it's your girl Sin, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm just doing a quick review, y'all. Now I actually was not planning on doing a video today, but I was over here, I had a couple of print squad shirts to print, so I'm gonna show you guys. And I'm sorry I didn't even bring my camera right now. I'm filming on an iPhone, so and I didn't even bring my camera tripod, my phone tripod with me, because I was planning on stopping by here, printing these shirts right quick and getting up out of here. But I just wanted to do a quick review on two items that I got, like right here. I don't know if I can even flip the camera around. Actually, right here, as you guys see, this squeegee right here. Y'all see it? Y'all might have seen this squeegee. They Ryonet sells them. It's the Ryo Easy Grip Handle squeegee, as you can see right there. This squeegee is amazing to print with, y'all. I mean, you know, it's been a minute since I actually had to screen print something, but just coming in here and being able to print with this squeegee right here, y'all. I mean, it's so awesome. It's so amazing. I'm gonna have to go ahead and switch all of my squeegees out to that one. And the first thing, actually, somebody actually sent me this squeegee, and I'm just now getting a chance to use it. And I waited so long. Karen, aka Bagwear, she sent me this squeegee like months ago. Actually, I think it was even 2019, like towards the end of 2019. And I'm just now getting a chance to use it. I'm gonna have to do a better video where I can actually print enough with it so that y'all can see how easy it is. I mean, it just makes it so much easier. And I mean, I really love the squeegee, or I wouldn't have got on here to do this quick video. I just wanted to review that. And the next thing I'm gonna show you guys right here, I'm gonna see if I can find something on there for that squeegee. I'll try to put links or whatever for y'all in the description box. And right here, this is a heat gun that I just got, y'all. This heat gun, it's not a very expensive heat gun, but it's a decent heat gun. If y'all been watching my videos, y'all probably have seen like the older heat gun that I had that I actually broke and no longer use. But this heat gun is an awesome heat gun too. And I know y'all probably like, she just on here saying everything is so awesome or whatever, but I'm not. I promise you I'm not. This heat gun, it does so well with the temperature compared to the other one. So do not cheap out on a heat gun. Get you a decent one. Don't get just the cheapest one, because I mean, it's a big difference in this. Because for one thing, my conveyor dryer is actually, it's got the coils, like the oven coils, so it shows me all the spots, the cold spots and different things like that. So you know, I was able to figure out how to put the shirts in there perfectly so that everything is heated up to, you know, pretty close to the right temperature. You know, even though it's moving on a conveyor belt, so it's gonna move, you know, it's gonna move, and the air is over it, the heat is over it the whole time, and it's gonna be moving on the belt, and it's gonna hit in different spots. So I kind of was able to figure that out. But that was all. I just wanted to come on here and do a quick review, and I'll leave links for both of these products or similar ones if I can't find the exact ones, because I know some stuff people have been asking me about, and I wasn't able to find the exact thing, but I tried to find something very similar. I just wanted to come on here and let you guys, you know, just tell you guys that and let you know about these two products. But I will be switching out all of my squeegees, and I don't even know if they make those in the smaller sizes for like when you're doing pocket logos and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I just printed right here, and I'm gonna try to show you a close-up on it. Like right here, I just printed a print squad shirt. That's the close-up view of it. I mean, it seemed like it just made me print, not that I was printing bad in the first place, but it made it seem like printing is so much easier. Everything comes out perfect right here, as you can see. Let me try to pull it up on top of this box so y'all can see. But that's the full design right there. Right there, y'all can check it out. I did get some good news today also. The baseball team, my cousin, I was supposed to be doing jerseys for her team. That was one of the teams, and she just told me that they are going to have a baseball season. So I will be printing, get some orders in here pretty soon with baseball and stuff like that. So I just wanted to come on here, just check in with you guys and let you guys know that God is really working right now, and you know, been blessing me in all types of ways. Just wanted to come on here, you know, and just let you guys know. But if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. I'm gonna try to do more on that, and also on the T-Shirt Chick Live channel, which is the red channel. If you type in T-Shirt Chick Live, I've been doing workouts every day, Monday through Friday, around 8:30, 9 o'clock. So I'm, you know, trying to get y'all in shape. For those of y'all who don't have a lot going on and or wanting to get in shape or needing to get in shape, because you know, printing, if you actually screen printing, that can be pretty strenuous and stuff on you. So you know, right now we're gonna get in shape. By the time all this stuff is over with, we'll be in good shape. We might even have our 18-year-old bodies back. But yeah, I just want to invite you to subscribe to that channel if you want to work out every morning, live workouts Monday through Friday. And if I get to where I can't do the live workouts, I will do like premieres so that you can actually work out with the premiere. I can't even talk, y'all, with the premieres. But I appreciate you guys, and it's links down below in case you're interested in any of the products I use. And I'll see you guys later. Prince Squad out. And y'all didn't even tell you, girl, her hair looking crazy, but y'all know how I roll. But what's up, squad? Hey, this right here, this for that Prince Squad, this for that Prince Squad, this for that Prince Squad, this for that Prince Squad. All right, I'm back with some more quarantainment, and you know, quarantainment, that's just entertainment. I'm on YouTube, maybe one day I will be famous. If I don't, I'd still be blameless. I'm shameless, I rip from the heart. I come every night, every day when it's dark outside. I try to go to bed, but sometimes I can't, cause I'm up all night. You know I can't think. About to fall out, man. Yeah, cause this one for that Prince Squad. This is for that Prince Squad. This is for that Prince Squad. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Verse 2. I'm about to see what I can do. I've been messing up on this mic. How about you? Alright. Alright, y'all. Y'all know I had to come back. Hit y'all with another one of these quarantainment flows. This is for that Prince Squad. This one so for that Prince let's see what we got. Right here, I'm just chilling, editing videos. I've been working hard, exercising on my toes. Every time I wake up in the morning, yo, gotta do the thing. I'm up in the studio. Alright, I'm flowing better. I know last time I messed up, but you know that was my pastime. I'm having fun, y'all, trying to get this money. Everybody talking about seeing you so funny. I'm not even playing, cause this is for the Prince Squad. This one for the Prince Squad. This one for the Prince Squad. I'm not even playing. You know what I'm saying? Repping the squad. Everybody talking about this is how we rock. And you know I'm straight out Louisiana. Every time you see me, on my head is a bandana. Nah, I'm not a gangster. I just got a big forehead. I just try to cover it up. I like green and I like red. Everybody say, seeing you so funny, but it's what's all up, good squad? Because I'm trying to make this some right money. Here. This gotta for that Prince Squad. This is for that Prince Squad. This one for that Prince Squad. This is for that Prince Squad. All right, I'm back. Y'all say that more quarantainment, and you know quarantainment. That's just entertainment. All right. Gotta get one last verse. And every time you see me, you know I'll never curse. When I'm died, I'm rolling in a hearse. I mean, when I'm dead, man, I'm something on my head. Coming off my dome with these raps all the time. Every time I come, grab the mic, I bust rhymes. Bust 1 time, 2 times, and 3 times. I don't even know. I'm not Busta Rhymes. Squad. This is for that Prince Squad. Yeah. This for that Prince Squad. This for that Prince Squad. This for that Prince Squad. Verse 2. I'm about to see what I can do. I've been messing up on this mic. How about you? Yeah. Thank y'all for tuning in. If y'all stay this long, y'all type in this for the Prince Squad or for the Prince Squad. All right, you know, it's your girl, S-I-N. So, you know, I'll be back again. I'll be doing a live stream for the premium members pretty soon at the end of this month. So if y'all want to be a part of that live stream, make sure y'all join and become a member. What color shirt you want? All right, I got some video. Print Squad out.